spent in a miserable way.
U.S. News ICE ran a fake university in Michigan to catch immigration fraud, The New York Times. The University of Farmington in Farmington Hills, MICH, billed itself as a nationally accredited business and STEM institution, with an innovative curriculum, flexible class schedules and a diverse student body. But it had no curriculum, no classes and no real students, the authorities said this week. The university in the suburbs of Detroit was part of an undercover operation by the Department of Homeland Security designed to expose immigration fraud, according to federal prosecutors who announced charges in the case. In what the authorities called a pay-to-stay scheme, foreign students knowingly enrolled in the fake school to falsely maintain their student visa status and remain in the United States, according to prosecutors. The authorities charged 8 recruiters in the case. They are accused of Immigration and Customs Enforcement also detained people who had enrolled at the university, according to immigration lawyers working on the case. I have received calls from Georgia, Louisiana, California, North Carolina, said Ravi Mlam, an immigration lawyer based in Atlanta. It seems to be a net. The students swept up in the scheme were largely from India, lawyers said. We are all aware that international students can be a valuable asset to our country, Matthew Schneider, the United States Attorney for the Eastern District of Michigan, said in a news release on Wednesday. But as this case shows, ICE did not respond to requests for comment Thursday. Undercover agents from Homeland Security Investigations had posed as the owners and employees of the University of Farmington since February 2017, the indictment said. The university had a real website with program details, tuition pricing and contact information. The phone number but the university was not staffed with instructors and had no actual classes, according to the indictment. Prosecutors said that everyone involved with the school knew that. Each of the foreign citizens who enrolled and made tuition payments to the university knew that they would not attend any actual classes, earn credits, or make academic progress toward an actual degree in a particular field of study, the indictment said, adding that the students knew that discretion should be used when discussing the program with others. But Mr. Mlam, the immigration lawyer, criticized the undercover operation as misleading and said some students had believed they were enrolling in a legitimate program. He said some students had come from India to the United States to enroll elsewhere, only to find that their intended program had lost accreditation. So they enrolled. Other students had completed legitimate master's programs in the United States but were waiting to be approved for a specialty work visa, so they enrolled in school as a stopgap measure, he said. The government utilized very questionable and troubling methods to get these foreign students to join the institution, Mr. Mlam said. Rahul Reddy, an immigration lawyer in Houston, said he had spoken with about 25 students who had enrolled at the University of Farmington and who were facing possible consequences. Some had already. He warned that international students should guard against universities that do not hold regular classes or that offer a work permit immediately. That's a red flag. The scene in Michigan was reminiscent of a similar operation in New Jersey 2 years ago, when at the University of Northern New Jersey, with its official website and seal featuring the Latin word humanus, scientia, agreed, was a fake set up by the government. In that case, the authorities arrested about 20 brokers who they said had recruited foreign students to the university. 25 most of the students in that case were from China and India. Officials said, by Thursday, which had once appeared to show photos of students, had been taken down. It was replaced with a page showing the university's logo next to a law enforcement badge and a warning. The University of Farmington, it said, has been closed by the U.S. Department of Homeland Security.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. I keep fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.